Guys, here it is, my infamous Gamjatang, homemade, and I also made some homemade kimchi, and of course you gotta eat that with some rice. So let's hit it. All right, so we're gonna dig in this feast. All right, so I'm gonna first try the broth. Well, that's delicious broth. I gotta take my glasses off. I know I'm gonna be sweating for sure. Oh yeah. Right, so what I typically do is I eat Gamjatang with a spoon. So I'm gonna scoop out some rice, dip it in the broth.
No.
Amazing.
No.
All right, I got some kimchi here. So this kimchi, I have cabbage, daikon, green onions. I don't know, but I'll make a video for this too. So let's mix this all together. So I got the rice, I got the kimchi right there. Dip it in that broth. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna dig in with this meat. That's good. All right, I'm gonna smash this dish. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Peace.